Paano nga ba i-convert ang mga credit limit natin into cold cash? Actually, tuwing na-approve ako sa mga credit cards na in-applyan ko, iyon ang number one question ko. Pwede ba or paano ba i-convert ang credit limit into cash? Hi everyone, Crisel Morales here. Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Paano nga ba i-convert ang mga credit limit natin into cold cash? Actually, tuwing na-approve ako sa mga credit cards na in-applyan ko, iyon ang number one question ko. Pwede ba or paano ba i-convert ang credit limit into cash? Because hindi lang naman swipe ng paswipe o pakaskas ng pakaskas ang kailangan natin sa ating mga credit card. Because obviously, apparently, kailangan natin ng cold cash. Whether we like it or not, we need cash. Diba? Mahirap naman na wala kang cash sa bulsa. Totoo naman na mas convenient yung dala-dala mo lang palagi yung credit card mo. But then again, you also need to have cash in your wallet. Kaya, paano nga ba i-convert ang ating mga credit limit into cold cash? At actually, yan ang query ng ating subscriber na si Eduardo Espirito. Pwede nga bang i-convert ang credit limit daw ni BPI credit card into cash? And paano mag-convert ang credit limit ni BPI credit card into cash? Yan ang alamin natin for today. At ito ang kasagutan doon sa query ng ating subscriber na pwede nga bang mag-convert ng credit limit into cash sa mga credit cards ni BPI? The answer is yes. Ang tawag dyan is credit to cash. And dito sa credit to cash, may 4 na benefits tayong makukuha. Number 1, fixed monthly installment. Ibig sabihin, fix yung babayaran mo hanggang sa matapos mo yung loan term na in-applyan mo. Number 2, low add-on interest rate. Get 0.99% add-on interest up to 36 months. Third, fast processing. Have your application processed in 5 banking days. Mabilis na yan ha, 5 araw. Number 4, use 100% of your credit limit. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng pa-convert into cash ang 100% na credit limit or available na credit limit sa credit card mo. So if for example, ang credit limit mo is 50,000, pwede mo siyang pa-convert 100%. Balikan natin yung sinabi ko kanina, yung tungkol sa rates. I mentioned a while ago na 0.99% lamang ang monthly add-on interest rate ni BPI up to 36 months. But of course, the shorter the term, the higher the interest rate, and the longer the term, the lower the interest rate. So for example, dito sa table natin, tignan natin ang table natin with BPI. From 6 months, 12 months, 18 months to 24 months term, 1% is the add-on interest rate. While doon sa 36 months, you get 0.99% add-on interest monthly. So yun ang sinasabi ko. The shorter the term, the higher the interest rate, but the longer the term, the lower the interest rate. And eto, we have to take note of the following.
Effective interest rate of 21.01% on 36-month term per annum. A service fee will be charged for each SIP loan availment. This fee will be reflected in the succeeding statement O account. Please be advised of the adjustment SIP loan service fee for BPI cards.
Those are the things we have to be aware of kasi gusto ni BPI malaman natin lahat yung mga bagay na yon before we apply for a credit to cash with BPI credit card. And another one, of course, kapag napakonvert mo na 100% of your credit limit, for example, wala ka na available credit limit. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ipaswipe sa mga grocery stores or restaurant. If you wish to go and eat on a fine dining restaurant or fast food, take note na kapag na-convert na yung credit limit mo, of course, wala nang laman na credit limit ang credit card mo. Not until you pay your first installment. Kapag binayaran mo na yung first installment mo after you've been approved with the credit to cash, saka lang magkaka-credit limit. Kasi napakonvert mo na nga yung credit limit mo into cash. So wala nang available credit limit sa credit card mo. Kailan mabubuo ulit yung credit limit? Mabubuo ulit yung credit limit kapag nabayaran mo na ng buong-buo ang utang mo or yung inavail mo na credit to cash with BPI. Alright, so ibig bang sabihin, kapag nagbayad ka na ng installment mo, first, second, and third installment, at may available credit limit ka na ulit, pwede mo bang gamitin or ipaswipe? Of course, pwede. Kapag nag-replenish yung credit limit mo, may available na credit limit sa credit card mo, pwede natin gamitin pang shopping or pangkain sa fast food or restaurants. Basta nag-replenish or may available na credit limit. At I would like to reiterate, sakalang magkakaroon ulit ng credit limit kapag nagbayad ka na or nag-umpisa ka na magbayad ng installment mo. Of course, I would like to remind everyone of you na hindi basta-basta magpapakonvert ang credit limit kapag hindi kailangan. Once kasi na nagpa-convert tayo ng credit limit, especially if you avail the 100% of your credit limit, ibig sabihin, of course, fix na yung mabayaran mong installment monthly. Hindi katulad nung kapag hindi ka nagpa-convert ng credit limit into cash, kung magkano lamang yung na-avail mo as sa pag-grocery, yun lang din ang babayaran mo. Hindi naman kasi ibig sabihin na malaki ang credit limit natin, paswipe tayo ng paswipe. Of course, nagbabudget tayo monthly. Yung credit limit na nasa credit card natin, hindi dapat one-time spend. Kailangan din binabudget. Depende naman kasi sa way of living ng bawat isa sa atin or lifestyle ng bawat isa sa atin. Kapag able naman tayo to pay 100% of our credit limit kahit na spend natin lahat yan, why not? Diba? Pero kapag tingin natin hindi naman basta-basta kang magkakaroon ng available na 50,000 kung halimbawa mang 50,000 ang credit limit mo and na-spend mo siya in just 1 month, mahirap. Kaya iisipin natin palagi in all our decisions, we have to be very wise, especially in converting your credit limit into cash. Doon kay BPI na ang tawag dyan is credit to cash. Alright, so if you are interested, you can call the hotline.
Simply call 02-889-10055 or visit BPI branch near you. Or request for a callback via BPI Help and Support.
Alright, so that is all. I hope I was able again to impart some information na pwede nating magamit again as our tool if we want to avail the credit to cash ni BPI. And of course, hindi lang si BPI. Most, if not all, of course, can offer a credit limit conversion. Just inquire from the customer service of your bank and I believe they will assist you in converting your credit limit into cash. Especially if there's an emergency na paggagamitan ng cash na yan, so why not? You can avail all the time. So there you go. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe lately. Thank you so much. Sa mga nagbabash kay Crisel Morales, thank you so much pa rin. Alright, so I hope sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, makapag-subscribe na rin po. And always, please tap the notification bell down there so that you'll always be notified kapag meron tayong mga videos to go. Maraming salamat. And always remember, kahit gaano karaming pagsubok meron tayo sa buhay, life is beautiful because God is so good. Bye everyone!